Yo, what's up? It's your boy King Yadia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And I'm gonna do a little recap for you on my Mara trade. So let's start at the daily. Or you know what? Let's start at the 60 minutes. It's a little clearer up here. So we had this rejection from 41.27, 41.20 area. We had this big push up, this big wick coming down, just a pushback off of that area. Then we had this red candle dropping off, and let's drop down a little bit more to the 30 minute. So we had this big red candle, a little pushback again, small blue candles trying to push back up, but the selling pressure is kind of strong. So we had this big red candle again pushing down, and the next huge red candle pushing down again. So when we hit this area here, we started to push up again, but then this big rejection, this wick rejection, all the way, all this sell-off happened here, right? So I'm looking at it like, damn, this is looking kind of weak. Maybe it's a little oversold, you know what I mean? So I pulled a fib line from here. Let me pull out that fib line. Right, so I pulled a fib line from here to this low right here, and that's how I got my what I call the golden zone. So these are the 38% level, marked out that, the 50% level, marked out that, and the 61% level. So I marked out those, right? So those are the levels I was looking at from the pre-market to either like reject off of or break through. So coming down right now to the 1 minute at the open. So this is what I saw, right? So I saw this big red candle. I let it sell off a little bit and break this level right here. So I took the short here when it broke this level. Then I had to cover here because that was a little loss. It pulled back on me. So I didn't want to, take the ride all the way up here. So I cut it short. When it came back down, I took another short. It pulled back on me again. I had to cover that. So that was 2 losses. So then I just let it ride, man. It just went up, it pushed up. But that was kind of going against like my my bias or my thoughts on that this is weak, you know what I'm saying? So it pushed up, but it started convincing me like, damn, well, maybe this is a buy then. So I took a small position as a buy. It went up to here. This was my buy entry. Went up to here, then rejected. So I had to cover that, you know what I mean? And then I took this short right here. So when I took this short, it was a small position. So then I think, let me see if I can remember correctly. Yeah, so then we pushed up here. I think we went down to this area and we pushed up here, and then we came back down. So when we came back down and passed my entry level, I added a big position here. So this was kind of like a really big position that I added here. So we went down to this level, we hit this level here, we kind of pushed up, so I covered my position for, that was a big profit. That was like I guess that was like about maybe 10 hour, 12 hour, no, probably like 10 and a half hour, or maybe like 9 hour or something like that. So then it got weak again and it pushed down. So I went short again, covered right here, did a little scalp. It went down to like 33.51. I didn't catch all that. So then eventually I was just looking at it. It pushed up, it found support here, pushed up. But still I'm looking for shorts because I'm looking at my golden zones here, my 38%, my 50%, and my 61% fib levels, right? So I see it push through the 38%, push through 50, and then it started rejecting here off of the 61%. So as we came back down past the 50, I did a little scalp, but this was heavy position, so I scalped from here to here. Then I scalped from here to here again. So that put me up to like about 12 hours or something like that. And then I did another little scalp here. This was nothing major, you know what I mean? because I thought it was gonna push down like before, to catch some moves, but then it was pushing back up. It found support, so I covered it here, right? Then I tried to do another short and I lost that, so I ended up with like about 11R. So this was a huge trade for me today, man. This was great, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's my little trade recap on Mara, this whole Bitcoin phase and this craze and all that shit. So we just trying to trade wisely, you know what I'm saying? Like, I made a couple mistakes here where I guess you can call it mistakes. Really, it's like, it's just part of trading where you accept the losses quick. So I guess it's not a mistake. I just cut it out quick, you know what I'm saying? And I eventually got the big move, you know what I'm saying, which was from here, where I added this large position to here, and also here to here. So, and these scalps right here, these were great too, because these were large positions I took, so yeah, all in all, it was a great trade, man. So I had a great day, and hopefully we have another great day tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So it's your boy King Yadiya, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets, and we're just trying to hit these take profits, man. All right, bless.